Everyone, Alex Avos, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thursday. This week, honestly, was really good for a lot of pairs, and some pairs didn't play out, but it's totally okay because, the last couple weeks were really good to us, and I'm already expecting a lot of big things in the weeks ahead. So, and I minimized my risk, so really didn't lose that much this week. I would say maybe about 300 bucks, but profit I think it was about 18 to 2,000 ish. So really good week so far. But let's talk about the trades. So something new that I did was um, usually I would label down the trades that I took and keep a note of them. But this week I was like, okay, so we were trading oil, gold, US 30, New Zealand dollar, Euro yen, Euro New Zealand, Facebook, and Boeing. So I said, all right, well, on Monday, let me get the current price for each uh, pair of commodity. So I took down the weekly prices, and from Monday all the way to Thursday that we are right now, had some big gainers and some losers, which is totally okay. But to just keep track of price throughout the whole week was really, really good. But let's just start from the top at oil. So, one second. All right, oil was really crazy for the most part. There was multiple buy-ins, but all right. So you can see from the monthly, 59 all the way up to 63 is what price was at. Um, really hasn't formed as much of a candle yet. You can see more of this on validation on the daily time frame. You could see so price, we were all the way up to $63. That's why you see 63 on the monthly where the wick came out to. But then we pulled down, had some big runners right here. It did not like 60, so it came back up, and I'm expecting still 64, 5 to $65 a barrel. We could honestly probably see this next week. We just need price to come back all the way up. But let's see. On Monday, price was $62.07. Monday, $60.08. Wednesday was $60.64. Today we're at 61.50. So hopefully we can see the big momentum and bull run and get price above 63, and then we'll push up to $65. So did this play out? No, but if you were to catch it a little bit more aggressively, you could have caught the pullbacks and then ride it back up. But that's just a little bit, you know, too aggressive for trading. But you could do it either way. Let's talk about gold next. Let's see. Gold. Yeah, this one was. So I said Monday. Price we were at 17.38 on Monday, and I said, okay, well, if we can push up to 17.50, we should look for a buy about 17.55 to 17.60, and look for the buy back up to 1800. Well, price did not like 17.38. I think it only got up to about 17.40. 1760, that was on Monday, and then it came all the way down. It did not like that, and so what I was like, well, we haven't been trading this all week just because, it was just super aggressive. If we were to get in at 1735, there's no way that we were going to be able to make profit swinging it up to 1750 without knowing it, because price was pulling back tons and it had a bunch of disequilibrium on smaller time frames. You can see those multiple fake outs. See this March pull up, correction, impulse, correction. Now we're just kind of trading flat right now. We need a breakout really, or I could honestly just see this coming down lower and lower. If it does happen that price comes down to, I think I put it at, it was taking another 1700. Price even came down at 1705. And support was strong, I would be looking to the sell to 1675, just because that's its next major support. Like 1680, 1670, This is its next support. All right here, this is where it would come down to if price didn't like to stay above 1700. That is, then it would come down to here. We would chill here. But here's the great thing. Um, so Joe Biden is proposing the 1.9 trillion stimulus package, and if you could see right when I think it was President Trump, he right around the same time in last summerish when the Corona package came out, you could see it was at 1720ish, 1740ish. Boom, bull run, bull run, bull run, all the way up, almost hitting I think 2100, very close. Um, so that was impressive. Now, if we can see the same pattern again, um, I know it's probably a bigger stimulus package. We could go even higher than 2100, but it's just up to price. We'd have to see, wait for that bill to come out, and then we could start seeing some more momentum on gold. But let's see, from Monday 1760, 17 all the way came down to 1738. Tuesday opened 1731. Wednesday opened 1725, and today we are opened at 1718 is when I caught it at, and now we came up slightly from that, but I still believe it's going to go down just until that package comes. US 30. Let me check. Hope y'all's day is going good too, man. It's a really good week today. It's the first day all week that it's been really sunny outside, and that's really good. All right, so I said, where are we? I said we would buy above 31,375. Monday we opened at 31,267. That's right what we closed. Look right here. Price opened this price. That's when I like wrote it down at. Obviously, it opened at 31,500, came all the way down to 30 30,800. Wow, didn't even see that. And then you can see Tuesday. Oh wait, this is February. We opened Tuesday at 39.86. We closed 31,570, which is really good. That's the only reason I didn't take this buy was even though I said 31,375, I did not want to get in and only ride a short wave. No, I said price would come back to 32,000 and see that's where our next support would be. But we've yet to came up. We only topped out right at 31,600. That's where its next support is. If we can break that, we could see 3,200. But that's the only reason I didn't get it in, just because I didn't want it to go up and then catch the sell all the way down, lose money on it, especially trading US 30. So I was like, well, it's better just to get a better confirmation about 31.6, take it up to 32,000 or even higher. So let's see, from Monday 31,267, Tuesday 31,500, 31,606 for Wednesday, and today we took the dive at 31,240. So you can see price like to stay up for most of the week, and then today dipped down a few hundred pips. So nothing much on US 30. Let's go to New Zealand USD. Alright, 1 second. Yeah, see, this is the fucking thing with New Zealand. We were trying to take it up to 76, come back to, what is it, 2018 highs, 74, I mean. Come back to 2018, so almost 3 years ago, this is where we were trying to go to. And you could see, this is in February. Yeah, February topped out 74,679, which is really, really good. And you could see March, I said, all right, well, we could definitely see the same reversal and come back up to it, retest it, and possibly move higher. But it did not like that, and you could see Monday opened at 72,359, and we closed at 72,647. So small, slight gains here. Here we opened up a little bit higher, closed at 72,821, so pushed up a little bit higher. And then was this Wednesday? This is the day that we started to close a little bit lower from 72,873 all the way down to 72,451. The close right around here. And then you could see, what is it? Yeah, today's March 4th. Today we opened at 72,458. You can see this open, high, low, and close all the way up here at the top for each candlestick. So that's how I've been tracking it through the week. We only saw the big gain on Wednesday, and then we caught that from 72.3 all the way to 72.85. It was almost 73. I had people take that trade. Me personally, I didn't trade it just because I wasn't, I didn't really want to trade that just because it wasn't, my ideal trade. I was looking for a setup all the way to 74, not high 73 from low 72s. I thought, give it to some other people if they want to test it out. I actually had someone who made like $200 off of it, only off of like a 0.3 position size. So that was really good. He held it in, I think, overnight, or he sold it right at nighttime, like around 11 or 12. So that was really good. But New Zealand, so just about the same thing. It's just been chilling around 72, trying to break 73, but then we came back to 72. So that's it on New Zealand. Euro, yen, let's see. 1 second. Something was good to us. Let's see, March, yes. So we opened 128.5, and what did I catch this? Monday, yeah. So I wrote it down at 128.6, and so you can see we closed at 128.600 all the way at the top. Not really much gains on this day today on Monday, but you can see on Tuesday we popped from 128.6 to 128, almost 129, touching it, which was really good. Steady in. We got in on Monday. Wednesday was pretty nice. Not much gains. Opened at 128.970. Closed a little bit above 129. And today we are coming back for it. We closed open above 129, and we are sitting 129.220 right now. So what can I say? We could see 129.500 today. Maybe 130 by tomorrow. 130 is the top of this wick right here. We are in a spinning top, so I believe price will push up. We have nice momentum. I could not see this not going to 130 by end of day or tomorrow. So let's see. For euro, yen, steady. Price has increased this whole week from the bottom all the way to the top of this wick. So really, really nice trade so far on euro, yen. Euro, New Zealand. Euro New Zealand did not do what we wanted to this weekend. Said I was trying to swing it up to 1685, which was right here. Price did not want to do that at all. We could see that we opened Monday 1.668 and then closed at 1.65. So over 1,000 pip loss that day. Then we just been trading flat the rest of the week. We are in a bearish spinning top, so either price could come down lower or we could pull back up to here, just depending on how that candle closes today. But you see on the lower time frame, we've just been kind of trading flat. Had a bull run on the last week of February. Kind of came down for the disequilibrium, trading flat. Little impulse, slight correction. We just need a big momentum to get it back up to 1.685. So could we see it by tomorrow? Possibly. If not, we could definitely see it by next weekend or next week. So what was this? Euro, New Zealand. So caught it from, let's see, Monday was pretty good, 1.66. Tuesday opened up at 1.65. Wednesday just about the same, and today we are back up against 1.66. So We are slowly riding it. We just need a big push up, more momentum, and then to stop trading sideways. All right, two more. Yo, sorry if y'all, man, I'm on like, I think I'm low key sick, but I don't think I am. I don't get sick. Um, man, Facebook was disappointing. Um, for the most part, I would say it was pretty good for one of the days. Um, so where is the? Hmm. All right, so you could see I said we're going to be taking this to 275 once price is above 263. Um, Pre-market it was 257, and we opened Monday at 261. You can see open 260.82. That's why I just put it at 261. What did we close at? 264.91. That was really really good. Had a slight, but the only reason I did not get in is because I didn't feel that it would go higher. Um, it had a crazy bull run. You could see from what is it? The last day in February-ish, we popped, open marched, really nice above almost 260. So that was really good. We pulled up, but we had this equilibrium up top. Price came all the way up to 266, and then we started to come back down from that. I did not see in the short run taking it from 263 to 267 was ideal or smart. No matter how big of a position you had, it doesn't really matter. Um, I ideally wanted to take it back up to 275, but it did not like that. We could have closed this candle and pushed up higher, came up to 269, worked our way back up, and then saw 270. But we didn't want to. The price didn't want to see that. It's okay. Facebook, it's a conglomerate, and they'll do what they gotta do. Um, let's see. So pre-market, I caught it Monday 261. Tuesday we closed 266, opened at 264. Wednesday was we opened 260, closed 255. Um, and today we are sitting pre-market at 255.13. So really, really anxious. I did not get in for the sell or for the buy. I did not advise my students to either, just because of the, trading sideways and there's no um, trade yet. It hasn't set up yet. We were really hoping on this candle to pop on Monday, get our price back up to 270, but it didn't want to do that, which is fine. We can wait and see. There's no problem in waiting. So Facebook to 275, it did not hit. It's all right. Boeing was great. Yeah, I got the free version on TradingView. There's no need to pay for that shit. Um, so, all right, the last one, Boeing. So Boeing had a great week, such a great week. Um, Pre-market Monday, I caught it at 212. Um, this is right around the close, 211. Caught it. No, this was Friday's. Okay, so it opened 217-ish. That's when I saw it. And then price came all the way up to about 224, 227 before it came down. We opened 223 on Wednesday. Price came all the way up to 227. Didn't like it. Came down. We liked 225. And then March 4th, price liked, we shot above support right here. We are now at 230. This is a close, 228 right here. Now sitting above this. Now I said we'll be taking Boeing to 240. 240 is like right here. Yeah, just about right there. So can I see it? Yes, we were supposed to see it this week, but still, it was a really, really nice week. We banked over $10 on the stock, which is really really nice for Boeing, especially no more than that. $13. It's 230. Got it 217. What am I talking about? Um, so this was really really nice. You could see the steady bull run all week. Really nice candles. Depending on pre-market and how it likes 230, we should definitely see 232 and then have its nice support right here for the major pullback up to 240ish or even higher than that. But I will take profit at 240. Depending on how it goes, I might still be in this position until tomorrow. But we'll just see how it goes. So that is it for this week. Oil, gold, 30, New Zealand, Euro, Facebook, and Boeing. Most of these played out. Some of these did not, but it's okay. We risk small to get big numbers back. You know, so I only lost about $200 to $300 this week, which is perfectly fine. I've had days that are a lot worse, but I also made about 2,000 ish, so that was pretty good. Um, so all in all, it's not about like how much you can make and shit. It's just about how consistent you are in the market. I only placed about two, two to three, three to five quality trades. Like whatever I post in my chat is what I'm gonna take, and I'm gonna take it at a certain level. And I'm not gonna just get in to get out. No, if I believe price is gonna go to where price is gonna go, then I'm gonna hold it in there, and that's just how it always is. I'm just consistent with it. Um, I'm not the person to see a couple $100 or whatever, and then get out of the trade. No, there's a lot more on the other side if you just if you're patient with it. So try to be patient with all my setups. So I choose quality setups. I used to before throughout like I believe it was honestly over like 10 pairs a day, or like quality or like trades every single day in the chat, and that got a lot. Um, that was overwhelming for a lot of people. So I said, all right, well, I'm gonna throw out a few quality picks and forex stocks. We'll trade an indice, um, and then we'll trade some commodities. And it seemed like this is like really working out for people because it's really easy and more to understand and like clear in the chat. Um, so that's really really good. And yeah, so all great trades this week. Next week we are going to be going so hard. I'll be scouting for some positions later today. But if you did enjoy this video, smash that subscribe button, like this video, maybe share it to someone if you want. And I'll be keying down my both member and Forex alert links down below. The member alert room, that is the alert room where we talk to each other about the trades and the setups. And then the Forex alert link is just where I post the quality trades for this week. No one else can be able to talk in the alert room. I'm the only one who posts content in there, but in the member alert, that is where we discuss it. If someone has questions, then we go over it there. So really, really effective if you want to, trade some forex, trade some stocks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Alex Avalos. I'll see you in the next video.